In this video, I'll show you how to make a slip knot, which is a common way to start crochet pieces that will be crocheted in rows. So this here is what a finished slip knot looks like. I'm going to quickly undo it so that you can see how to make it. So to make it, take your yarn, turn it into this sort of horseshoe shape where the yarn tail is on the left and the working yarn is on the right. Now you're going to hold on to the yarn tail and bring it over and on top of the working yarn so that you create what looks like, if there were some more tension in here, the number 4. Now you're going to hold on to the point where the working yarn and yarn tail intersect so that it doesn't fall apart. And you're going to put your thumb and your index finger under the hole of the 4. And now you're simply just going to flip your hand over so that you can pick up the working yarn and bring it through that loop. And then just hold on to the yarn tail with your right hand and pull on it until a knot forms. And you may wonder, this loop looks much bigger than the loop that I showed you in the beginning of the video. Don't worry, you can adjust the size of this loop by just pulling on the working yarn. But before doing that, I actually like to just put this straight on my hook. So,
if you're left-handed, the slip knot will go to the right of the hook. And if you're right-handed, the slip knot will go to the left of the hook.
But what I really want to show you is the magic of making this loop much smaller. So, as I said, you just need to pull on the working yarn, and voila! This loop has become much smaller.